Hi everyone, welcome back. कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? I am back with another work from home internship and that is coming from Kuku FM. Okay, so they are hiring for the writing interns. So in this video, we are going to see each and everything in detail. And if you haven't watched our previous video related to the work from home in Paytm, as well as we have also posted the internship for the Infosys, go and check it out. If you haven't applied yet, so apply now. The link is in the description. So let's move on to our today's update. So the company name is Kuku FM. I hope कि आप सभी ने इसका नाम सुना होगा. Basically they are the storytelling platform and they are hiring for the post of writing intern Hindi, and the salary here you can expect in between 30 to 40,000 per month. So both fresher and experienced candidate can easily apply for this application, and the job location is going to be completely work from home. So let's see the job role and responsibilities. So as a writing intern, you will be responsible for creating the short video promo for audio show trailer, and the promo should be in between like 1 minute to 3 minutes. And you will also be responsible for the market trend and the content preference of existing and new users. So basically you will be writing the content for the video show and for the audio show. Okay, so who can apply for this application? So any graduate from any stream can easily apply. And the skill requirement here is you should have a good communication skills as well as writing skill in Hindi. And it will be plus if you have the knowledge of the English. And you should have an experience in using the AI tools like ChatGPT for research and writing purpose. Okay, and if you want to learn ChatGPT from basic to advanced, then do let me know in the comment section. I will create a separate video on that. Okay, so let's see how you can apply for this application. So I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you guys can easily apply. So once you click on the link given in the description, so you will be redirected to our official website, that is jobforfreshers.co.in. Here you will get all the details related to the job responsibilities, eligibility criteria, and the skill requirement. And here when you scroll down, here you will see how to apply for Kuku FM, and here you will get the apply link. And for daily job update, you guys can also join our Telegram group and WhatsApp group. So let's fill out this application form. Here just click here to apply. Okay, so you will be redirected to the LinkedIn. Now here it's very easy to apply for this application. Just click on easy apply. Okay, so now here you need to fill out your details like your name, your last name, your email ID, your phone number. So next one is here you need to upload your resume. Just upload your resume and make sure your resume should be in this format, like it should be in doc format or either PDF format. And I will suggest you just make your resume in the PDF format and add those skills as the skill required by the company, like they need a good hand-on experience in AI tools like ChatGPT and good communication skills or good writing skills. So you should have those skill set in your resume, so that the chances of your resume to get shortlisted will be higher. Okay, after uploading your resume, just click on next. The last one is the review section. Here you have to review whether all the information provided by you is correct or not. If you find any mistake, just go back and edit it. And once you're done with that, and just click on submit application. Okay, so your application will get successfully submitted and you will receive the further mails from the company only if your resume gets shortlisted. So make sure your resume should align with the job requirement and the skill requirement. And if you find any difficulties while filling out this application form, or if you had any other question, do let me know in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.